Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys top 5 virtual dollar card to get in Nigeria if you are planning to get virtual card in a dollar virtual card in Nigeria, because various Nigeria card are not working to buy something on Amazon or some other various online platforms. So you need this virtual card to make this payment online. There are these top 5 card I think are cheapest, and I think is a good option to some other virtual dollar card in Nigeria. And guys, thank you guys for engaging with my video and subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn up your notification bell. Make sure you like the video. Liking my video is going to help me a lot. So the first virtual card on my list is Cashbuddy. The Cashbuddy virtual dollar card is normally like you will be able to add your card to your PayPal, using it to shop on AliExpress. There are various of people in Nigeria, they are buying something in China, so they have this problem to pay online. So with this card, you'll be able to purchase something on AliExpress and pay for something on Amazon, or pay for Facebook or Google Ads. Cashbuddy card will work with no headache. So this is what this card is offering, and this is their website. And you can, I'm going to leave all these cards, I'm going to leave this in the video description, so you can go through, you can make more research on your own. And it says create a virtual Naira and dollar debit card in Nigeria. So you can actually have a virtual Naira and dollar debit card. So this is the first card on my list. So there are these fast and secure transaction and low exchange rate in market. So you can still try to use this card for arbitrage. If you see the amount you'll be buying this dollar on this platform is low, so you can take the opportunity. It says pay on multiple platform, connect to your PayPal and other apps. So I think this is relative okay for online virtual dollar card in Nigeria. So the second card on my list is cheaper. I've used this card and I can tell you this card is okay, is working. I don't have this physical card, but I just have the virtual card on my phone. I use this to buy something online, and this works without problem. So you can use Naira. To purchase. Technically, you just have to exchange this Naira to your dollar card on this app. You have this option to exchange the dollar. If you like the exchange rate, you can go through and make your online transaction you want to make. This dollar, I can tell you this dollar is okay. That's why I put this cheaper card on my second best virtual card to have in Nigeria, or if you want to get one. They accepted everywhere. Use your cheaper card for online purchase anywhere. Visa card are accepted. So this is Visa card. So everywhere, if you want to make any online payment like Nike store, or you want to buy Nike shoe, or Samsung Galaxy, anything you want to do online with this card, I can assure you don't have any problem. But this is just an educational purpose. Make sure you do your own research before you get any card. The third card on my list is Payday. This Payday is virtual card for your online buys and spend your money across board. So with this card, you'll be able to buy something online and shop worldwide. Buy on Amazon, use this on Netflix, and use it everywhere. Shop without limit. So you don't have these limits, like you can spend like 20,000 or 10,000 or $1,000. So he said without no limit. Use your Payday card for online purchase anywhere. MasterCard are accepted. This MasterCard card. So This is the total control over your budget. Limit how you spend by only using the amount you send to your card. So you'll be able to send money to this card using this kind of mode. You can control how you spend your money. This is what this card is offering. This best card to get in Nigeria if you just want to get your hand on virtual dollar card in Nigeria. And the fourth card on my list is alert card. Alert virtual card, seamless online payments. Pay your Facebook ads, Google ads, Apple subscription, and shop online with your virtual dollar card. So with this card, the alert virtual dollar card is more of very few dollar card in Nigeria, service in Nigeria that allow you to make seamless payments online without being affected by any frustration of exchange or Naira debit card limit, which affect how you make payment online. There is this problem in Nigeria that you can't make certain amount of transaction using your Naira card in Nigeria. So this is what they are offering. If you want to join, you can just come to this website to get this card. It said other benefits of the alert virtual cards: seamless payments, multiple platform functions, easy to use, no arbitrage fees. So this is what this card is offering. And the last card on my list on this video is going to be Sterling Bank. Yes, it will be Sterling Bank. Why Sterling Bank? Mind you, this card is not online. This is actual physical card, but I just have to add this because Sterling Bank have in Nigeria. This is the one of bank I like in Nigeria because I also use Sterling Bank in Nigeria. So this is one of my best bank in Nigeria, and they have this world debit card because this is dollar card. You'll be able to use this in Nigeria. Having this card, let me see the features and benefits. Dollar-denominated debit card linked to your USD domiciliary account, worldwide acceptance wherever the MasterCard logo is displayed. So this, let me find this. Let me find the benefit. Access over 1,000 airport lodge in over 135 countries worldwide with lodge key. So this card actually give you a lot of more access if you are traveling every time, or you do travel for holiday in another country. Then you have this stopover like 2 to 3 hours. You can use this kind of card. Is going to be okay for you. So this is why you need to check online to know the kind of dollar card you need in Nigeria. Because you are in Nigeria, that does not mean you don't need this kind of card to have more benefits. So, and you can just come to this website to check more about this card. It said car rent and the discounts up to 25% off your next car rent, and travel and medical insurance up to $500,000. So premium service at all Sterling Bank branch by simply display your card to any customer. So I don't know what. Let me check this transaction limit. ATM $1,000, and these webs transaction seamless and POS. So you can also do this kind of more option for you to choose and to apply. Visit any of our branch nationwide or contact your relationship manager to request for a card. So this is how to get these cards. Basically, there are some other cards. There are some other cards you can get in Nigeria. Just trying to check the card that is best fits you. So that's my top 5 dollar card to get in Nigeria, virtual card, and this is physical card. I think if you are traveling every time in Nigeria, you need this card. So if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video. Let me know what you think about this video and any other video you want me to do on this channel. Let me know. I'm going to see you on the next video.